But I mean, you know the crypto industry very well. What would be your guess? How big is the FX markets, just fiat money trading globally? It's bigger than crypto, but how big? What would be your guess?
Oh man, I don't even know.
So just like FX, only euro, US dollar,
Yeah.
daily trading volume is 30 times bigger than the
Wow.
whole crypto industry trading.
Okay.
So TradFi, how
Yeah.
we now say it, has superpowers in terms of volumes, and this is just like fiat money. If you look into commodity trading, oil, energy, let's say gold, precious metals,
Yes.
gold bars, or diamonds or something like that.
Maybe even silver now too. Yeah.
Silver, yeah, it's going through the roof, and trading volumes are hundreds of billions every day. The commodity market is even hard to measure.
Yeah.
And just behind us, you see the container ship. So there might be commodities being exported and imported, crude oil tankers going into Singapore and out. These trades are still handled in a very traditional analog way.
Yeah.
So when the ship leaves the port, there's like a escrow, banks transferring it, and then when it arrives, they settle it and things like that. It's so complicated. It might lead that the actual ship is like on anchor for days because the bank didn't settle the payment or something like that. This could be all like streamlined with stablecoins,
exactly.
with crypto,
Yeah.
with international
Absolutely.
trade. And that's where tokenization comes really in. So in terms of evolution, I've been now talking about these phases of the crypto industry, where the first phase is kind of the crypto native stuff, Bitcoin, as a like digital gold we all love. Then the like crypto native assets, utility tokens, like infrastructure players, Ethereum and Cardano and so on. So this is the first phase. Second is the first evolution of like I would say the killer app, right? Stable coins, tokenized money. Let's say still massive or like growing rapidly with Tether,
Yeah.
160 billion or whatever total value locked at the moment. This is like a use case where everybody can understand, also get to know crypto a little bit better. And then the third phase is where it's really outperforming on what we know about crypto. This is the tokenization, future of tokenization, where we could really go into this global trade, and this is hundreds of trillions of dollars potential. Basically, I think everything about global trade will be digitalized and will be put on chain.
I agree. I agree with that statement 100%. And I got to say, I really like your example of the boat.
Yeah.
Like I have my own examples in explaining, the benefits of blockchain technology and that sort of thing, but I really like the one that you just used. And I'm going to take that from you. I will be using that one. I will. Now, one thing we kind of mentioned before we actually started was tokenization. First off, I want to, ask you, with your background, when you were first introduced to the idea of tokenization, what did you think at first?
So, I mean, tokenization is a way of digital transformation.
Yeah.
So back in the 90s, I had been like working with companies saying, oh, there's digital transformation. How do we get our e-commerce shop on it? Then there was eBay, then Facebook came along and like mobile internet and things. So I've seen different life cycles of the technology evolution. You always see like how things got to a buzz, a hype, and then comes to like the valley of tears, and then it goes into kind of a more mass market.